Hello friends, welcome to the module on foundational literacy and numeracy. This model is about describing persons. But before we start with describing persons, let us first activate the student's background knowledge by beginning this module with words which are used as names of persons. We can introduce activities on naming words for persons by asking general questions or by enriching learning by drawing pictures and asking students to identify and name it. Jaideep, identify and name the pictures that I'm drawing.
Painter, teacher, girl, boy, grandfather.
Wow, that was awesome, Jaideep.
So, names of persons can be an individual, a helper, or any relation. What do you observe in this picture, Jaideep? Yes, it's a picture of a joint family. Now, name the members.
Brother, sister, parents, grandparents, uncle, aunt, cousins.
If you take example of a boy, he can play the role of brother, father, son, nephew, grandfather, cousin, or uncle. And he can take up jobs like chef, pilot, teacher, scientist, tailor, student, shopkeeper, driver, etc. Now, Arush, introduce yourself by making use of some of the words given in the picture.
My name is Arush Archa. I study in class 2D in KV Trimangiri. I am 6 years old. My favorite color is red. My favorite cartoon is Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I wake up early in the morning and I finish my homework in time. I am regular to school and respect my parents, my teachers, my parents and my grandparents. I love to play with my sister and my friends. I love sports and my favorite sports are cycling and skating. I love arts and crafts. So I love arts and crafts and poem recitation and fancy dresses. I love science and when I grow up, I would love to be a scientist like Sir APJ Abdul Kalam.
Splendid job, Arush.
Now that you have understood how to make use of the naming words, let us now add describing words or adjectives to a given naming word for people. Adjective add life to speaking or writing. While describing a person, we talk about general appearance and personality. So let us see step by step as to how to describe a person. When we describe the shape of the face, it can be round, oval, or square. The complexion can be brown, wheatish, fair. The color of the eye can be blue, brown, green, or black. The nose can be big, short, long, crooked, pointed, or sharp. The hair can be long, short, curly, wavy, and the color of the hair can be golden, brown, black, gray. The expression on the face can be cheerful, friendly, charming, smiling, radiant, warm, lively, expressive. The words describing physical appearance slim, tall, thin, short, slender, old, etc. And the words describing personality affectionate, courageous, intelligent, joyful, social, lazy, etc. Let us do some mind mapping exercise by adding describing words to the picture.
Feeling excited. Let me give the describing words. Beautiful. Short hair. Big green eyes. Beautiful smile. Smart and clean, well dressed.
This is a picture of a beautiful girl. She is smart, clean, and well dressed. She has short curly hair. She has fair skin. She has big green eyes and beautiful smile. Thank you.
That was super, Mahalakshmi. Well tried.
Thank you, Mahalakshmi. Here is another activity, and this activity is called describing partner. In this activity, we have to pair students and ask them to describe each other. This can be a great exercise and also a great activity for teaching children positive social interaction, focusing on positive aspects of their classmates, and develop empathy and sensitivity to one another. To summarize the whole thing, adjectives add life to writing and speaking. While describing a person, the following things are to be kept in mind: physical appearance, face, hair, complexion, body structure, personality, and character. But remember, always focus on the positive aspects and develop empathy and sensitivity to one another. We can enhance writing and speaking by following these simple but effective guidelines. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.